Yeah, you might be asking yourself, Drew, what are you doing at the camInstructor booth? I mean, you know, you're a speaker. But actually, camInstructor and I have some really cool announcements that we're gonna make. This is not your regular partnership. camInstructor and I are gonna be coming into schools near you to give away pieces of this software, to give away this information, to get these schools up to date, ready to go, help you instructors learn the world of CAM, especially Mastercam. So I'll be teaming up with camInstructor friends, and we got a lot of announcements to send your way. If you've got a school that's looking to start a CTE program, advanced manufacturing, and you don't know what to do, you don't know what curriculum to start with, you don't know how to teach it, holler at me. We're gonna come out, we're gonna bless your school. If you got a school that says, hey, we've been using some other CAM software, it's not as good, our teachers aren't as versed, holler at us. We're gonna help you step your game up. We want all of your kids being the best programmers that they can be. We want you guys to get the most out of this software. So together, the MFG and camInstructor is coming your way. Stay tuned for more announcements.